Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cool sticker photo edit in Picsart. So I added this background. It's like a lined paper thing. So you're just going to add your photos now by pressing add photo. Select the picture, select cutout, and select person. And then you're just going to select save. Do that to the other one. And then select save. And I'm just going to sort of adjust the pictures a little bit. Like so. Once you're done, add shadow to this one. And the other one too, if you'd like. See, shadow. That. And then you can also change the color, but I'm going to add a sticker first so I can adjust the color to the sticker, like the color of the shadow. So once you're done with that, just go to sticker and just add as many stickers you want, and I'll be right back with the final result. And this is the final result. I hope you like it, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!